So now we have fuel pressure with just the key on, engine not running, and it dropped down to about 44 psi. Before it was at 48 psi, 10 degrees too low, 10 psi too low. And so this is going to tell us that we have a bad fuel filter and a bad fuel pump, and we need to change those. He's got 176,000 miles on the vehicle. You can see we can do the test again too. Clear it, it's at 0. Let's turn the key off and on again. Keys on. Engine's not running. Let's check fuel pressure again. Exactly, it's a little bit less than before, 43 psi. So as you can see, it's going down lower and lower. If it doesn't hold pressure, I'm going to leave the pressure on at full psi, at 50 psi. With the car running, I'm going to